Happy Monday, Realtors. Welcome to another great week here at C21 Circle. We've got a lot going on. First, Monday, 10 a.m., all groups. We're starting the Objection Handling Success series. This is for the experienced agent. This is for the new agent. This is for the intermediate agent. This is for any agent. This is for anyone in sales. We're going to teach you, soup to nuts, how to overcome the objections that you face every time you have a listing conversation, every time there's a buyer's conversation, every time anything's going on, there's always an objection. We want you to stop fearing objections, own objections, be able to rebut objections, and be able to move forward towards getting a close. So join us at 10 a.m. on Monday for that. It's going to be great. Again, all groups. 11 o'clock, we're going to have Prospecting Power Hour, so you can practice making some phone calls, see if you get some objections and overcome them from what you've learned. Noon, our agent service coordinators in all 4 offices will be hosting tools training. Tuesday, 10 a.m., Script Mastery. I will be, look at the schedule or get in touch with me. I'm not sure whether I'll be in New Tampa or West Pasco that day, followed by Prospecting Power Hour. 11 o'clock or 10 o'clock Wednesday, Digital Mastery in Avila, followed, and of course on Zoom, followed by Prospecting Power Hour. Thursday, Prospecting Power Hour, 11 o'clock, and then Friday, we have the morning grind. I'll be in Avila and again on Zoom, and then followed by Prospecting Power Hour. It's going to be a good week, guys. It is spring buying season. Keep your foot to the ground, man. Hit that pedal. Let's keep talking to people. Let's keep making those calls. Let's keep building our inventory, and let's get out there and really make this a great spring.